Good morning, children. Today we will do exercise 11.4, question number 1. Question number 1 says, take Sarita's present age to be y. Sarita's present age is y years. Then, first part is, what will be her age 5 years from now? After 5 years, what will be her age? That means we will add 5 years in present age. That is y plus 5 years will be her age after 5 years now. Second one is, what was her age 3 years back? 3 years back means if her present age is 12 years, 3 years before will be how much? 12 minus 3, that is 9 years. We will subtract. So here in second question, you will subtract 3 from her present age. This will be her y minus 3 will be her age 3 years back. Now third question of question number 1 says, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. Whose age? Sarita's age. So 6 times of Sarita's age. What is the age of her grandfather? 6 times means 6 into Sarita's age, that is 6 into y, her years in years, 6y means her grandfather's age will be 6y. Now again, fourth question, grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Grandfather age was 6y, younger means smaller, means grandmother is 2 years smaller than grandfather. So we will subtract 2 from grandfather's age. This is Sarita's grandmother's age. Fifth and the last question, Sarita's grandfather's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her grandfather's age? Means 3 times. 3 times of Sarita's age means 3y, and 5 years more means plus 5. This is Sarita's father age. This is means you will do like this. Question number 1. Next question. Question number 1b says the length of a rectangular hall is 4 times less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meter? Means if this is a rectangle, this one is length and this one is breadth. If breadth is denoted by b, it is given breadth of rectangle equal to b meter. Then it is asking what is the length. Condition is given, length is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. Means length is equal to 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth, means 3 into breadth minus 4 meter. This is the condition. So if breadth is b meter, then 3b minus 4 meter. This is the length of the rectangle. Simple. We will write the question, write what is given, then we will understand the relation between length and breadth. Relation is length is 3 times 4 less than 3 times of the breadth, means 3 times of breadth is equal to 3b, and from that you subtract 4 meter. So next question C. Question 1c says a rectangular box has height h centimeter. Height is given it right here. Height of box is equal to h centimeter. Now its length is 5 times the height. Length is 5 times the height, that is length equal to 5 into height, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length, and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter less than the length minus 10 centimeter. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of the height. You have to find length and breadth in terms of height in h. So what is given? Height of the box is given at centimeter, length is given 5 times the height, okay, 5 times the height, and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. So length, therefore length will be length equal to 5 into height, that is 5h centimeter. Then breadth will be, breadth is equal to length is 5h minus 10 centimeter. So do like this. Question number 1D says Meena, Beena and Leena, 3 girls are climbing on hilltop like this. So Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Meena is at S. Let this be Meena. She is at S. Then Beena is 8 steps ahead. Beena is here. Ahead means she is before Meena. That is 8 steps ahead means S plus 8. And Leena 7 steps behind. Leena is behind Meena, that is 7 steps behind means S minus 7. Where are Beena and Meena? We have to find what is the counting of Meena and Beena. That is, if Meena is at S steps, Beena 8 steps ahead, that is S plus 8, and Leena will be at S minus 7. The next, after that, the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. 10 less than means total steps to the hilltop is equal to 4 times what Meena has reached minus 10. Express the total number of steps using S. Then what is given? Meena's step is given. Meena's step equal to S. Then Meena's position, you can say. Meena's position, not step. Meena's position. Then Beena's position is what? 8 steps more than Meena. S plus 8. Leena's position is 7 steps behind Meena, that is S minus 7. Now total number of steps, therefore total number of steps equal to 4 times what Meena? 4 into Meena's position minus 10. 10 less than 4. Meena's is 4 into S minus 10. This is total. So we will move according to what the question is said, understand the question, then go on writing. First you can do rough also. Next, question number E. Question 1E says a bus travels at V km per hour. Speed of the bus is given. Speed of bus is equal to V km per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. Means it is going from one place to another like this. This is Daspur, this one is Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, means time is given 5 hours. Bispur is still 20 km away. Means after traveling 5 hours, from here to here distance is 5 hours plus 20 km. Means 5 hours bus has traveled and plus 20. That is from Daspur to Bispur. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? So time traveled is given 5 hours. So distance traveled is equal to distance traveled in 5 hours equal to 5 into b, that is 5b kilometer. Therefore distance between Daspur and Bipur is equal to distance between Daspur and Bispur equal to 5b plus 20 kilometer, because distance traveled in 5 hours is equal to 5b, and it says that after 5 hours 20 kilometer is still away, means after traveling 5 hours, if the bus travels from here to here distance in 5 hours, then 20 kilometer is remaining, so we will add 20 kilometer. So in this video I have taught you question number 1 from A to E. Solve them, revise them. For next questions, see my next video. Thank you.